Should I restart your phone?
Restart it? Do you need to?
Yeah, it's in recovery mode.
Oh, okay,
I don't know how it went. Maybe because of glitching. Let me plug the phone to charger.
Got
Okay.
a lot of bubbles.
When your phone was off, it's try so many passwords, wrong password.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it did. That's why it went to the recovery mode.
Okay.
If I do the recovery mode, your every phone will be deleted.
You said when you did the recall remote, you do what?
Let's see what happened. I did the restart. Oh, thank God, you came back. What's the password?
It's
Yeah, you can.
260.
Okay, your screen will be out from here like this. Okay, I can't press it because from all the way, it's intact. It's inside, right? So that's why. But your screen works.
So I wonder, so if somebody, let's see. Okay.
Which what was that? What was that? Like what you were saying?
I was gonna say, cause do you think I need to fix it kind of soon? See, I work in a warehouse and I have to put it in my pocket and stuff.
See, if you use it like this, for sure you will be messed up the screen. Because once you press the screen here hard, the screen will go black.
No, I live in Wayne. Yeah, but she told me.
Let me test the phone and make sure everything works. Charging port works. Your phone is on. In many this kind of damage, the motherboard goes off. You're lucky your phone is working.
Has it?
Ma'am, it should work if you fix the back. Because it's not aligned, ma'am. The Face ID and the cameras are not aligned, and speakers. That's why it's not audible. It's working, but right now the situation for the screen is not working. Yeah. Your signature here?
Oh, can you see if the case makes it?
No, I want to suggest you get a case.
No?
No. Let's see. No, though your back will be cracked. Then no, don't do that. No, just use it like this only. Is that okay?
I thought I needed to fix back today.
Your signature here?
Because I'm kind of conscious, so I kind of need to get my back fixed today.
Today, not possible, ma'am. If I had a part, it's gonna take 1 hour. I don't have a part.
Yeah, so as I said, I might have to, I don't know,
Yeah, keep going.
especially without a case.
Yeah, yeah.
See, I don't mind to sell you the cake.
Yeah, I know, but I know.
I'm not selling it for you.
Yeah, of course.
I don't want you messed up. You don't want to fix the back, right?
I do. It's just because nobody can't really fix the back, can they?
Today? I don't think so. You have to find this place. You have to go everywhere and ask.